Hi, this is yours truly again, none other than the unique Lady Emmanuel. Okay, guys, remember this is a video, so if you say, oh, slow down, you're talking too fast, actually, I don't hear you. So you pause the video, and you write the information down. Okay, the direction. For this week, November the 2nd, 2015, for each table, write two linear equations in slope-intercept form. Hold up, let me get my formula chart. Slope-intercept form, linear equations. Slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. So I'm write y equals mx plus b. And in the point slope form, go to my formula chart. This is the chart you'll use on the EOC for Algebra 1. M times x minus x1. All I did was copy the information I need from the formula chart. Okay? So let's do this. Guys, you probably say, why is this in the technology station? Because I'm going to show you how to complete this assignment really quick using your calculator. So first of all, turn on the calculator, press the on. There we go, we have it on. Then I'm gonna go to new document, it's already there. Press enter. I am not gonna add a graph, I'm gonna actually put a list, add a list. Press enter. Did I press the list? No, I didn't. So you see what happened? I started over. Add list, enter. And here, notice here we have X and Y. Here it says A and B. Let's go ahead and change that. So we're going to press up, move the cursor up, press the X key and press enter. Go over to the B, change the B to Y, press enter. Then I'm going to enter the information in just like it is. It says 0 here, so I'm going to press 0, then 1, 2, enter, 3, enter, 4, enter, 5, enter, go back up. Go up under the Y, and I'm going to enter the information in just like I said. 5, enter 10, enter 15, enter 20, enter 25, 30, enter. And I have everything in my list. And notice all I did, I need to make sure I copy it correct, because remember, HUMAN, I'm entitled to make mistakes. So we have here 0, 5, 1, 10, 2, 15, 3, 20, 4, 25. Sound like I'm telling time. 5:30. 5:30, get your laugh in. Okay. So now I've done that, and I wanted to do calculation for me. I want to write it in the slope-intercept form first. That's what I'm going to do first. So guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to show you by pressing menu. Notice that I moved my cursor over under another column, which you have to do that. Do not leave it under the X and Y. Move it beside. Just go over to D and press menu and go to statistic, and then go to statistic stat calculation, because we wanted to do the math for us. Then guess which one we're going to choose. Do anything look familiar to you? Look close. What do you notice? They says the lost focus. What do you notice? Yeah, MX plus B, that linear regression. Right there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to move down to 3. So I'm going to move down to 3, and I'm going to press enter. That X list, remember we changed that to X, so we're going to delete and put the letter X there. Then go to the Y list. And for the Y list, it's Y. And I'm just press enter until it gives me my information. And you notice here, oh, cancel, whatever I did, cancel that. So you notice it says MX plus B. And it says M equals 5, B equals 5. Yay! So let me write that down. They told me that the slope was 5, and so is the y-intercept. So what do I need to do? Remember, on the overview, we explained what we need in order to write the equation slope-intercept form, which was the slope and the y-intercept, and we just substitute in. So I'm going to rewrite this as y equals, instead of writing M, I'm going to write 5x plus the y-intercept, which is 5. Bam, I'm done. Okay? I'm done with writing in slope-intercept form. It was one more form. So that's one form, and our second form was point-slope form. So the point-slope form, it says y minus y sub 1 equals m times x minus x sub 1. Okay, close that. Here, choose any of these points. It doesn't matter which point you use, okay? It doesn't matter, you can use y. It doesn't matter which point. So I'm going to say y minus, and I'm going to use the big number so it can seem harder. Really? The y here is 30, so I'm write 30 equals, the slope they told us was 5. So I'm just going to write 5 for m, open a parenthesis, x minus, what was the x value that goes with 30? The x value is 5, so I'm going to place that in there. And I'm done. So I put my check here, and I put the check here because I had found this equation in slope-intercept form, or I've written it in slope-intercept form, and I also wrote it in point-slope form. I'm done with number 1. Okay? Number 2, do the same thing. So I'm going to start all over. Okay? So with the video, guys, this is not a video. Hello. Anyway, with this calculator, I'm back at new document. I'm not going to save. I'm going to go to add what? Yes, the list. Enter. What am I going to change? The A to X, because that's our independent variable there. Then enter. Go over. Did it not change? No, it didn't. You see, I just say, forget it. Go back to home, and I'll start over. I have no problem starting over. Go back to list. Go all the way up. Then I'm going to change that to X. Enter. Y. Enter. Then I'm going to put my information under the X and then under the Y. The X, I'm going to put -2. Enter -4. -6. Oh, the even numbers being negative. -6 again? I don't think so. That's an 8. Enter -10. Enter -12. Enter. You see that? How my fingers hit that 0 in there? So you just go back up to it and say -12. Enter. Beside -2, I'm going to start with 10. Then I have here 4. Enter. -2. Enter. That was my timer. -8. -14. Delete. -20. Enter. Check to make sure you enter it correctly, because we are HUMAN. -2, 10. -4, 4. -6, -2. -8, -8. -10, -14. Then -12, -20. Okay, so I'm going to go to the right of it, go to D column, and I'm going to run a linear regression. So I'm going to press menu, I'm going to go to statistic, and I'm going to stat calculations, and go to number 3, which is the linear regression, y equals mx plus b. Press enter. I'm going to change this x list, we name it x. The y list is y. And press enter until it gives me what I want. My information. Here it told me that m, which is the slope, is 3. The y-intercept is 16. So now what am I going to do? I'm going to substitute this information in slope-intercept form. So I'll get y equals m is 3, write the variable x, plus 16. That's one equation I have written. My next equation, the slope, the point slope formula, I just need a slope and a point. And I have several points, and I have the slope, which is 3. So I'm going to choose any points you want to. I'm going to choose the negative, so you can see how to do it. So I have y minus negative, with the y to the first power, to the y to the first power, the inner column came out. So y sub 1, I'm going to substitute in -2 equals, the slope is 3, x minus, the x value that go with y -2 is -6. And now I'm simplifying because I have a negative times a negative. A negative times a negative is a, there you go, that's a plus. So I rewrite that as y plus 2 equals 3 times a negative times a negative is a plus again. That becomes plus.